Dunham.
What the hell's happening up there?
Peter, be careful. Peter? Peter, no!
Can't wait any longer.
Stop it! Get away from him
I
now!
got his blood on me. If I wasn't infected before, I probably am now.
Peter, this is insane!
They're down there, and we're up here. And they're not sending anybody else up. This is our last chance to figure out whatever it was that he came here to try and sell. Rental car keys. Never take anything into a negotiation that can land you in jail. Always leave it in neutral territory.